So I've just opened up the box here and let's have a look. So I've ordered this off eBay and the price was very reasonable. It's not the OEM part, which costs a bit more obviously. It's the cheap eBay one, but it looks from the pictures almost identical. I've seen a lot of videos about these parts as well, so I've got quite high expectations. And in all fairness, the amount I paid, it wasn't the cheapest. It was kind of mid-range, between the cheapest and most expensive. So let's pull them out and have a look and see what we've got. So the unveiling. Camera there and the light. Okay, let's have a look at the carbon on there. Ooh, that looks nice. So you get a close up of that. Yeah, the carbon actually, the weave on it, it looks really nice. You know that? I wasn't too sure. I mean, the pictures look good, but you never know until it turns up. Super light, as you could imagine, with carbon fibre. And like the pattern, the weave, it looks very similar to the roof of an M4. So it should blend in nicely once they're both on. What's this? We've got some 3M tape to install it. And there we have it. There is the other one. Sorry if this video is a little bit too dark. The room's not very well lit. But you can get a good look at the carbon weave on there. Super light. It feels quality. I do like the way it looks, and I can't wait to see how it looks on the M4. So let's get into that next. We'll install it. Right, so here's the front bumper without the carbon on. It is nighttime, so it's dark, but I'm very eager to get this installed. I'm looking forward to see how it looks with the carbon splitters on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the bumper, and I've got some alcohol wipes to really give them a good clean before putting the double-sided tape on. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean both sides with this alcohol wipe, and then I've got this adhesion primer to wipe it down with as well, which should help the double-sided tape stick. Okay, so what I've just done there is I've just wiped this down with alcohol and then used a hairdryer, admittedly, to make sure that it's fully dry and ready for the next thing, which is going to be this adhesive primer. So it's an adhesive promoter primer, so hopefully this will help the double-sided tape stick securely and fix the carbon fibre splitters on without any problems. So let's give that a blast. Okay, so now I've put the primer on the bumper. I'm going to prepare the tape soon to stick the carbon fibre splitters on, but just to give you a look, so this is off eBay. It's not an OEM part, kind of mid-range price, not the cheapest, definitely not the most expensive, but just to show you the fitting is absolutely brilliant. So when that's fully on, it's pretty much flush, all the way along, so there's no white shown from within. Look at that, perfect. So looking forward to get this attached, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so now I've put all the 3M tape on, and it's all, as you can see, I went pretty crazy with it. It's quite a lot, 4 bits on that side as well, and a ton on the inside. So now I'm going to do a next process and take all this off, and then I'm going to use a hairdryer to warm it up, just to make sure the glue of it is really warm and ready to stick, and then hopefully stick this on without any problems. Well, there it is. It's stuck really well, actually. It hasn't been on for very long, but it feels pretty secure just with that 3M tape on. I mean, I have put a ton of it on, but it feels pretty secure. I mean, my only gripe would be that small little bit there, you can see. But apart from that, I'm pretty happy.
Okay, back again. So last night I managed to install the double carbon fibre splitters on the M4 in the dark. Stupid move, but I managed to do it in between half an hour to an hour. Didn't take too long using the 3M tape, which actually came with the splitters. Didn't have any issues doing it, but one thing that I wasn't able to check because it was dark and only had a little torch is just to see how it looks. And to see if it's got that end visual result that I was after from seeing that in pictures, and really liking it. So I'm quite excited to go outside this morning. Sun was shining. I think the sun's went in now, but it's light. It's the morning, and we're going to go and have a look and see how the car looks with the double carbon fibre splitters on either side. So that should be interesting. So let's go and have a look and see what it's like. so there we have it. The carbon splitters are on, and I'm really happy with the result. I think it looks amazing. Really looks more aggressive, especially matching the carbon fibre roof. And I will be trying to sort the slight bits of white there and there. I think I'll get a little bit of tape and run that inside. But apart from that, being a bit picky there, I think it looks great.